So, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know what this is the Hammerhead Karoo 2, second gen. If you're looking to get a new bike computer, you should definitely consider getting one of these guys. This device it's amazing. You should definitely take a look at it, do some research, YouTube online. I think that anybody that is looking for a new unit, you cannot go wrong with this guy. Definitely consider it. This guy is very simple to use. You can have your different profiles here. You can go here and check all your previous rides. I just turned it on, so it's a little bit slow right now, but these are all the rides that I have done. This is the last one I just did today. So when you're done with a ride, it practically gives you all the stats. You can name the ride right here. Select the bike you're riding. I have this one as default. Type ride type, and it as soon as you hit save and next, it will automatically upload to your social media platform. That being like Strava, Komoot, or any other app that you currently use. Here shows you a render of the map. As you can see, this is the information for my power meter, cabin sensor, and my heart rate. So we're gonna go back. Uploading routes. I don't think there's anything on the market that is as simple as this to upload a route. These are the routes that I currently have set up on the unit. Practically, you'll just select the one you want, tap on it, hit the check mark, and away you go. It does give you turn-by-turn navigation, which is pretty cool. So even if you take a wrong turn, it will reroute you automatically. Creating a route, you can actually do it from the device itself without much issues. I prefer to do it through Strava or Komoot personally. And then down here, if you scroll, if you tap on profile, this is where you can edit or set up new profiles. Right now, the one that I have set up called Endurance. So this is all the information that I want to see. If you scroll over, I'll give you the map with the speed and the cadence on the top. And then if I scroll over again, it's gonna give me the average speed, upcoming elevation, and then my power meter information. And then here will give me power meter information as well. But to create a new profile, simple, easy, go on the plus sign, name it. I'll just call it, oh my God, this is hard to type when you're looking through the phone screen. And then from here, we can go to edit layout. You can select what type of layout you want, depending on how many data cards you want. So that's my son, he's loud. So let's say you want this one here. After you're in here, if you want to change any of these, you can practically tap, take you to the screen, and you tap on the pencil, and then you can go under these categories. So if we go under speed, then we have all of these that you can select from. So if we go under distance, you have all of these, so on and so on. What is pretty cool, if you have one of the new DI2s, you can go here under shifting, add those, and it'll tell you the battery life, shifting mode, and it will also tell you what gear combination you're in. To delete, slide over, and you're done. Pairing the sensor, super simple. You go on the sensor, just make sure your sensors are Perimo or awake. You can pair them via Bluetooth or N+. Always, if you have the option, always select N+, you will get a better connection, and also it won't drain the battery as much as using Bluetooth. So these are the sensors that I have. So I have the SEO Duo pedals, heart rate, cadence, and then the speed sensor. So if you want to upload third-party application, it's actually pretty easy. Definitely if you have a Windows PC. I have a Mac, I was able to do it. It took me a little bit longer, but you can do it. I practically scroll over. Some of the apps that I installed was Dropbox, APK Pure, so I can download additional apps. GoPro, so when I'm using my GoPro camera, instead of using my phone, I can see my camera display the image right from this device. AC screen recorder, so if I'm doing a video, I can actually record right from the unit, and then I can put it up for mostly for YouTube purpose. Trainer Road, and also the Swift Companion app. And practically the way they work is like any app. After you have the app you want to use, you can practically just tap on it, and it just opens up like any app on any phone. And these guys actually needed an update, so they are updating right now. And this unit in particular, you can install the 4G or 3G SIM card from a network provider. That's the route I went with, just because I don't want to be using tethering from my phone and draining the battery on my phone when I'm doing my rides. When you are in an app and you want to get out, press and hold this button down here. You can slide these to close them out. You can press home, and it takes you back to the main page. And then if you scroll over, you have your do you want to install? Yes. You can go under your settings, and then it gives you all the standard Android settings from here. See, I'm just giving you guys a quick overview, so if you are considering getting one, at least you can get an idea how it looks and how you navigate through the screens. If you scroll down, you get your shortcut option. If you scroll down more, it's going to give you more options. If you press and hold, it will actually take you to that menu in particular. Just go back. So this is the endurance profile that I have set up. This is how that profile looks. This is the information that I want. If I want to start a ride, I'll just hit the play button, and you're good to go. It has the regular auto pause feature. If you just want to go out and about and ride without any maps, you can just start the ride. If you decide halfway through that you want to add a route, you can press these two buttons and you can add a route. Practically that's going to take you in your routes, and then you can just select the one you want. So if you want to do Middle Creek Wildlife, to see how many miles, elevation, you hit the check mark and it will start guiding you to that destination. But actually, let's say we select a route. Okay, and let's say you decide, you know what, I don't want to do that route anymore. You can actually press the same two buttons again and remove the route. The other cool thing is, if you press the two buttons again, you come here, route to home, you will be guided to your way back home, which is a pretty neat feature. I really like that. And it will save me headaches figuring out how to get back home. I'm horrible with directions, so this is a pretty neat feature for me. So I hope you guys enjoy this little quick tutorial. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up and I will happily answer your questions. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe. Keep writing. See you later.